students. This is our tutorial now. Today we discuss the proof of Pythagorean theorem. So let's start. Pythagorean theorem actually related with the similar angles. We know what is similar triangles. Similar triangles actually similar triangles. First we know about what are called similar triangles. Any triangle of sides of any sides, any length of sides, and any triangle have other length of sides, but the angles are same. Here A angle and P angle are equal. Angle A is equal to angle P. Angle, I am taking angle B, and angle this is Q, so angle B is equal to angle Q, and this is C, angle C and angle R are equal. Angle C and angle R are equal. So two triangles having same angles but their length may be different or same, they are called similar triangles. Now we will study further that how we can prove by similar triangles rule that the Pythagorean theorem. Theorem states that its statement is that if we take a right triangle, this is the height actually, we are denoting by L, and the base by B, and this is the hypotenuse, this is by H. So we have by Pythagorean theorem that height, the square made by the hypotenuse is equal to the square made by the length, and A plus the square made by the base. This is the statement, and we will go to prove it. So how we can prove? First take the right triangle in this way. This is right triangle, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. We are taking A, B, C, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Further, to prove this, we are taking a perpendicular from B to AC. This is BD. Here again we will get 90 degrees angles on both sides. So by similar triangles rule, we can prove that angle ADB and triangle ADB and triangle ABC are similar triangles. Triangle BD and triangle ABC are similar triangles. Both implies that this angle actually common, angle A is common for both the triangles must be equal. This angle actually, this is actually 90 degree minus this angle. This angle must be equal to 90 degree minus this angle. So this angle you can look this angle ABD is equal to, you can again look this triangle ABC. If you take 90 degree minus this angle, you will get this angle. So ABD is equal to angle ACB, and the 90 degrees angles, angle ADB and angle ABC. So we are getting similar angles, similar triangles. Both are similar triangles. Both are similar triangles. There is a important property of similar triangles. We will discuss this triangles. So what we will get from this? We will get that the ratio of the, here base is AD for this triangle ABD. So base by hypotenuse, here hypotenuse is AB. So AD by AB, this ratio is equal to the, here base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So we will get this result. So it implies that AB square is equal to AD into AC. You have to keep in mind this is one result. Now we will go another result. Now again look this. If we take this triangle, angle CBD, triangle CBD and triangle ABC, both triangle implies that angle C is common, angle C is common, angle C is common, and this angle is 90 degree minus angle C. So this angle CBD, if you look this angle, this is also 90 degree. If you consider this triangle ABC, this is again 90 degree minus angle C. So this will be equal to angle BAC, angle BAC. And we have again, this is also 90 degree, angle BDC and angle ABC. So both the triangles are similar triangles. Now we will get a result here from here. The result is that if we take again base by hypotenuse for this angle CBD, triangle CBD, CD by BC is equal to, again we will take for this triangle with respect to this angle, actually this is height. So height by hypotenuse, again for this triangle, this angle is equal to this angle. So with this respect to this angle, height is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So this will be BC by AC. So what we will get? We will get BC square is equal to AC into CD. Now we erase this result and we will go further in another step. If we combine this both results, then we will get AB square. I am denoting here now A B C. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus AC into CD. So if we can take common AC, then it will be AD plus CD. if we remember here the perpendicular I have drawn, and this is denoted by D. So if we look this, AD plus DC is equal to AD plus CD is equal to AC. So there will be AC multiply AC, this will be AC square. So this is the famous Pythagorean law. In this form, this will be AB is L square plus BC is B square is equal to AC is H square. This is the famous Pythagorean formula and the proof. If you have any question, then ask me through comment. If you have any doubt, then ask me. And if you like, then like, share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed, then subscribe this channel to get another video. Subscribe. Thanks for this video, for watching this video.